Hey YouTube, today I'm playing a game with my friend, Apple Core. And then I'll put his, I'll put a link for his YouTube channel down below. Or I'll just type it into the chat. So, that will be his name, so go subscribe to him. Yeah, go subscribe to him. He's a cool guy. So let's get started. Not good at this. I just started. $17. Let's go see if we can buy some things. Yeah, that's at 6,000. No, I don't have that. Let's see what this guy wants to give me. I can't get that, dude. I don't have enough. Oh. Shout out to Soccer for giving me the free things. Yeah, I won't. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade you right now. So let's get this boy. I can't buy things. What is he gonna trade me? Dang, he has a lot of stuff. What is he gonna give me though? So he has pretty good thing. I'm recording. Thank you. Great. Am I allowed to open these? Oh yeah, I am. What the heck, bro? He gave me all these? Dang, bro. These are a lot, honestly. He's a good friend, yeah. Good friend to me. Well, let's open another crate. This is gonna be like an unboxing video. No. Because of him, it's gonna be like an unboxing video. I don't think he's that surprised. The skip? No way, dude. I have to pay 250 Robux just to skip. So, oh my god, that's a ripoff. Why did they even do that? It's not even a good deal. That's pretty good. I'm good for now. But thank you, Skull. Thank you, Corey. I have so many boxes. Oh my goodness. Pictures of him. Really cute. Can I sell any of this? Accessories, hats. I can't sell these. Dang it. Oh, it's a trail. What the? There's one of those. What are these? Yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. I wish I could sell some of this stuff so I can get more tools. Okay. Actually, I don't know if you can sell some of this stuff. It should be good for recording though. Right now, that should be good. Oh, I got a domino crown. That's like, last time I saw 11 million, probably more though. I can't believe he gave me this much crates. I gotta give him some. Wait, can you check those inventories? Did he like spend his Robux? If he did, then I really appreciate that. Because I'm not using any more Robux. I'm just waiting for the clockwork. He's talking to me. That has never happened to me, actually. People actually beg me for me to accept their friend request. That barely happens to me. I wish I had my hat, bro. If I get so much stuff, I'll do a giveaway on this. Because I have a lot of stuff. I can't believe he gave me this much. It sucks that it doesn't show your value, though, of how much stuff you have. It sucks. Like, should I make a clan? I don't know. Okay, we got Commando. Take this off. Put that Commando on. Okay, that didn't sell. What? I sold that. Now I can probably get a better pickaxe. Yeah. There we go. Now we got a better. And let's see how good this thing is. Let's test it. Oh, that's good actually. Okay, let's keep on unboxing. Do I have black hair? No, I don't. Hold on with the crates. Crates open up. Let's see what this one will be. Black Velk. Another domino. Hopefully I can get that white top hat. I don't know what this is. I mean, I could get a lot of pickaxes if I like sold all a lot. Ooh, that's a good one. We will equip that. Let's go, baby. Anyways, YouTube, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow my Roblox account. And I'll see you all later. Peace out.